Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Matt with Green Bar Trading. So, what kind of trader are you? Are you a scalp trader like me, or are you a swing trader, more long term, being able to hold through those moves? Well, it all depends on your personality. My personality and what works best for me, which everybody out there, you need to find what works for you. The only way to do that is by experience. Now, for me, scalp trading is 100% for me and my personality the way to go. I'm going to show you guys here, and I like to use my daily recaps, my trades, my real money put on the line to show you guys with real examples. So, not just making, educational videos without real money examples and real trades. So, that's what I do here on the channel. And that's what I'm going to show you guys right here. Now, this is how I'm ending up the day. It's 7 a.m., guys. 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And my day is done. Now, did I hit my overall goal? No. But did I start to, notice some things that I didn't like about the way that I was starting to trade, even though I only took 3 trades? And that's the motto for the year. That's the mantra. Trade less, trade better. So, finishing up $75 before most people are even up for the day and trading part-time like this, before I go to my other business for the rest of the day, well, I can't really complain about, tacking on another $75 to the week. It's been a good week. I came into today not wanting to give any gains back. And if I did, I was going to keep that very, very small. So, a lot of traders, when they're starting a new year, they want to build that cushion. They want to just take those small wins and build that confidence that gets started at the beginning of years, at the beginning of months. It's just the way day traders do it. Because when we do our metrics and our, P&L and everything, it's per month, not so much per week. So, we want to always get off to good starts. Once you build that cushion, you can start, to lean and, press on the gas a little bit if the market shows that it's worth it. Trading in the pre-market, you have to be very careful, especially trading the indexes. So what I did here and what led to my success here on Friday is I traded the S&P 500 futures. That's what gave me the bulk of the profit. That was one trade. Let me see here. So that was one trade here for the ES. And then I took 2 trades here, one winner, one loser for the Dow Jones ETF. And that's what I traded in the pre-market. Now I want to show you guys why I am a scalp trader. This is very, very much so a good example of being a scalp trader. But more than all the other types of tradings and what works the best for me. So right here, if I didn't, and just, I'm going to zoom in on this a little bit. Look at that green candle that follows where I got out. Okay. Very clear here. So if I didn't take my profit here and I waited, I want to get the most move. I want to try to get the very bottom, which never happens, by the way. You're never going to get the entire move. So this green candle pops all the way back up just to my entry and then continues to go all the way to almost the resistance. that, since I got involved here for this break, I was looking for this break of these lows here, that would have taken me out. Now, is that a good stop? No, because 4,700 is the clear, clear resistance. So getting in at 4,697, you don't really want to put your stop, 4 points up. That's $200. I would never do that. That's too much of a risk. That doesn't match my risk to reward with how I like to trade and minimize and mitigate and manage my risk. I have it posted here right next to my face to follow my rules, manage my risk. So if I can't do that with entries that I take, I either will have to cut the trade or, take that profit. This trade worked out exactly as planned. So, taking the profit down here after this 3 minutes of, institutional dumping, well, that was a good play. Now, this is an epic, at this point, very much so, a bear trap. Once it ripped all the way down, this green candle in 1 minute went from 4,692 to 4,697, just burying everybody that was trying to pile on bearish and just taking all these stops out all the way up to, almost previous resistance, which is some move. And then look at this move. From 4,699, we're already back down 6 points. That's a $300 trade here. $300. Now, that's if you got the top, and that's if you got the very bottom, which we know doesn't happen. So even if you could take half of those, moves, you're going to be well off. So this is why I'm a scalp trader, taking my profit when I have it, and then not waiting until it comes back against me to my entry and then takes me out of the trade. So, scalp trading, I don't know what kind of trading you guys do, but this is the type of trading that definitely works for me. Now, you might be asking yourself, how do you have these levels so accurate? In the middle of the night, it hits that. At 3:30 in the morning, it hits that. I'm not even up at these times, but these are the key levels that we identify. And we do this using technical analysis, and I post this type of stuff every single morning over in our Discord. I'll just share that with you guys here in a second if you're interested. This is where we put all of that. Every morning, I have my daily preview, my daily briefing posted over here, and our daily chart levels, amongst a lot of other things. But if you guys want to know where I'm seeing these levels that are bouncing, and yesterday was a perfect example. We bounced exactly off of the key level that I posted before the market even opened. So, these are very valuable, levels to know. If you're trading blind, your time in the market is most likely going to be limited. Learn the technical analysis, learn how we trade and why I am a scalp trader and why that works best for me, and find out what works best for you guys. So, and a lot of that is going to come with experience, like I said, but this is it. This is Friday. It's now 7:15 as I'm wrapping this up, and we're going to finish the week on a good note, up $75, and we'll be back for our weekly watch list video. This video is going to be everything that encompasses everything that happened in the week before and what I see happening and our market prediction for the week ahead. So stay tuned for that video. It will be uploaded on Sunday. which is tomorrow, because this video will be uploaded on Saturday. So that's it for me. Hit the thumbs up for the video if you would, and I will see you back on the next one. Take care, guys.